Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired cook from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my video recipes. And in this very quick video, I'll show you how to make the Great British All-Day Breakfast, also known as a full English, and I'll do it mostly in the air fryer. And for all you British connoisseurs out there, if you think I've left anything off, let me know in the comments. To make this easier to film, I've just made enough for one breakfast, so adjust for however many you're cooking for. You can see the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on the channel's website, and the link to that page and lots more is in the description box under the video. Just find and click on the word more, and that'll give you access to all the relative links for this video, including our website store products. Okay, let's get on with today's recipe. Like I said in the intro, I'll be doing most of the breakfast in the air fryer, and this triple set of air fryer racks are brilliant. I'll leave a link to my UK Amazon affiliate page if you want to check them out. And these are the pork sausages that I'll be using. Try and find a decent sausage where you live. And to stop the skin splitting in the air fryer, I like to prick them before cooking. And I'm started with the sausages because they take the most time to cook. So I'll set those away at 170 Celsius, that's 340 Fahrenheit, for 17 minutes. And also everything's cooked on the air fry mode. And once again, I'm only making one breakfast, so adjust the recipe for the amount of people you're cooking for. Right, in another rack or basket, I've got one tomato halved, one slice of black pudding. I'm sure there'll be an alternative to black pudding where you live. And the other ingredient in this rack is a half-cooked and frozen hash brown. Check out my last video on how to make those. Links in the description. Okay, I'll give those a light coat of cooking oil. And a very quick mention to the channel's Patreon, PayPal and Super Thanks supporters. I'll do the name splash and shout out a little later in the video. And I like to season with sea salt and lots of black pepper. When there's around 8 minutes left on the sausages, I can get those started in the other drawer. Set the timer for 7 minutes, the temperature to 180 Celsius, that's 355 Fahrenheit, and set it away. And once again, the mode is set to air fry. Once you're around the 7-minute mark on the sausages, you can add your bacon. All you need to do is increase the temperature to 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit and continue cooking. And before we go any further, I hope you don't mind if I give my brand new Book 5 a quick shout out. This latest release features 12 all-new bread recipes not found in any of my previous 4 books, along with even more brand new recipes for air fryers, pies, cakes and desserts, and much more. The book also includes interactive elements such as QR codes linking directly to step-by-step video tutorials for each recipe. And you'll find links for all 5 books in the description below the video. On to frying the mushrooms. You can use the air fryer to cook the mushrooms if you wish, but nothing beats frying them in my favourite well-seasoned wok in a little olive oil and butter. Get it very hot. As soon as the oil and butter start sizzling, get your sliced mushrooms in and fry those for a couple of minutes. While those are frying, get your toast in. Right, mushrooms are done and nicely seasoned with salt and black pepper. For filming purposes, I'm transferring mine to a little bowl for now. Obviously, you can just get them straight onto your plate. And just out of interest, when it comes to cleaning your wok after a relatively small fry like this, all you need to do is wipe out the still hot wok with a piece of kitchen paper. And there you go, that's all it needs. On to frying the egg, and once again you can poach or scramble your eggs in the air fryer. But for this video I'm frying mine on the stove top in my little cast iron pan. Okay, time to assemble this delicious meal. Starting with the hash browns, tomatoes and black pudding. Next to go on is the bacon and sausages. Those delicious mushrooms go in the middle. Next to go on is the baked beans, which I simply warmed up in the microwave. And finally, I can add the fried egg to the plate. And that's all there is to it. A proper British breakfast, not an everyday meal, but a wonderful treat when you fancy something special. And if you can get all the ingredients where you live, I really hope you try this, guys. And that's another big thumbs up for the Great British Breakfast. And as mentioned earlier in the video, here is the latest list of my Patreon, PayPal and Super Thank You button supporters. And they are Paul Dancy, Evangelista Zeri, Carolesh Shino, Lady Isabeau Skorsky, Bob Morgan, Royd, JPI Pooley, Captain Express, RBSB Brothers and Jens K3250. And there's one who wishes to remain anonymous. Thanks very much, guys. I really do appreciate all that you do in supporting the channel. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in your kitchen and bye for now.